Today I have a really interesting one. This one is called CureFaster, and it actually uses UV light to heal wounds. Pretty interesting. Sells for about $49 on Amazon. Link is below if you want to check it out in more detail or pick one up. Now this is just going to be the unboxing, so make sure you look for the review coming soon. The only thing I'm not looking forward to is getting cut, but might cut myself, who knows. The kids might cut themselves straight, so I have a chance to try that. But this says UV sterilization wound dryer, okay, called CureFaster. It says not for hospital use. CureFaster can't replace hospital professional treatment. As long as the machine is used correctly, it can be quickly sterilized and dry small surface wounds to promote healing. A lot of misspellings on the box, but that's, that's a trend with a lot of these import products. But it might still be a cool product, right? So again, sells for about $49. Is a natural way to heal your wound. Let's see what else it says here. Not many reviews at the time of shooting and posting this, but it is a 5-star review. Says safe and no contact, easy to carry and use, reduce pain and infection, 100% money back guarantee. So you have that. Let's see, most superficial wounds can scab well by 1 to 3 treatments. Each treatment only takes about 5 to 10 minutes, it says here. Stop bleed using, it says stopping bleed using medical gauze or tape. Wound cleanser, use alcohol wipes or, again, some really bad spelling here. Spray to wash and clean the wound areas. They're just saying how to use it. Help relieve pain, promote wound healing, reduce wound inflammation. So we know with the UV light that's supposed to really help with healing as well as cleaning the wound area. So you can use it. It says it's suitable for elders, kids, susceptibles, I don't know what that means, and some easily injured jobs or any outdoor sports, skateboarding, camping, adventures. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look and see what's in the box of the CureFaster. All right, pretty interesting. I love finding some of these products. These are really great. It's something normally probably would never think of to look up, but when I get the messages or find them myself through referrals, I'm like, this is something that we need to check out, especially to find out if it's going to do what we hope it does, right? So here in the box, let's see, it says, thank you for purchasing. We got that. A little getting started guide with how to use it. Talks about what it comes with. Now, these 2 little packs, these are your antivirus layer. I don't really know what that is for yet, so we'll have to determine. See if I can find it real quick here. Okay, so the antivirus layer looks like it goes in the machine somehow. Interesting. All right, so it comes with 2 of them. I would guess that you could possibly buy more of them by itself. Also in the box comes with a standard USB cable. Nothing crazy about that connector. A little tweezer just in case you got to tweeze the wound and get something out. It is plastic. I would probably recommend if you're going to keep a kit in your car or somewhere handy, get a metal one. But this still could work. I don't see why not. And then here is the CureFaster UV wound healer. Pretty cool looking. Looks like one of those hair dryers you might see like in a motel or a hotel. Those little tiny ones. You're like, how does that even work? But either way. So we have a USB port here. Looks like a on-off. So you can see the UV light. I wonder if this would actually clean, like if I put it up to my phone, would that be able to clean anything? I don't know. I don't feel anything there, UV light. Don't shine it in your eyes, probably not a good idea. But I can turn that off. So it looks like, I guess that's where that antivirus layer goes. Close that up. And if I switch it up, there's a little fan there. You can see the light working. Pretty interesting. So I am looking forward to checking this out. Fits nicely in the hand just initially looking at it, but that's what's in the box of the CureFaster UV sterilization. I can't even say it. The CureFaster UV sterilization wound dryer. It uses UV light to clean and help your wounds heal better and quicker. So pretty cool. So make sure you like and subscribe right here. Click that little bell icon to stay up to date with everything I do. Look for the review of this coming soon. And yeah, looking forward to checking it out. So there you have it. I'm Alan from Damn Good Reviews. Thanks so much for watching. And